Hey, tech lovers! Ever wished your phone could charge faster than a cheetah running in the savannah? Well, guess what? Infinix just turned that wish into reality. Introducing the game-changing Infinix Cheetah Chip, a masterpiece born from 2 years of hardcore R&D. This little beast is all about making your charging woes extinct. Imagine plugging in your phone and before you can say Speedy Gonzalez, you're ready to roll. That's the Cheetah Chip for you, exclusive to the Infinix Note 40 Pro. And nope, I didn't get that wrong. It's the Pro that's got the goods. But it's not just about speed. This chip is smart, efficient, and plays nice with any advanced device you throw at it. From zero to hero in minutes, making sure you're always powered up for what's next. And hey, for those wondering, can my phone turn into a cheetah? Well, not literally, but with charging this fast, it's pretty darn close. So, ready to leap into the future of charging? The Infinix Note 40 Pro with the Cheetah Chip is waiting for you. Charge fast, live fast, my friends. Until next time.